Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Google's latest flagship, the Pixel 8 Pro. Known for its incredible camera capabilities and clean software experience, the Pixel 8 Pro is packed with new features and enhancements that make it one of the most exciting releases of the year. Let's get into what makes this phone a top contender in the smartphone world. Starting with the design, the Pixel 8 Pro maintains Google's signature sleek, minimalist look but with some refined upgrades. The phone features a polished aluminum frame with a matte glass back that feels premium and grippy in hand. It's available in beautiful color options like porcelain, beige, and obsidian, giving you a choice of sophisticated looks. The camera bar at the back, a signature design element for Pixels, is now more refined and blends seamlessly with the body, giving the phone a modern and clean aesthetic. The Pixel 8 Pro is IP68 water and dust resistant, making it durable for everyday use. Moving on to the display, the Pixel 8 Pro features a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2992 x 1304 pixels. It's incredibly sharp, with vibrant colors and deep blacks that make everything from watching movies to scrolling through social media an absolute treat. The display supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making animations and transitions buttery smooth. This year, Google introduced improved adaptive brightness and color accuracy, ensuring that the display looks great in any lighting condition. Whether you are outdoors in bright sunlight or in a dimly lit room, the Pixel 8 Pro's display adjusts beautifully to your surroundings. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro is powered by Google's new Tensor G3 chip, designed to optimize AI and machine learning capabilities. This means better performance, smarter features, and enhanced efficiency. The phone comes with 12GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance, whether you're gaming, editing photos, or running multiple apps at once. The Tensor G3 is not just about raw power, it's optimized to enhance AI features like live translation, voice typing, and improved call quality. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you can enjoy fast internet speeds wherever 5G networks are available. Now, let's talk about what the Pixel series is famous for: the camera. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with a powerful triple camera setup that includes a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Google has also improved its computational photography, which means you're getting some of the best photos and videos possible from any smartphone. The main camera is excellent in all lighting conditions, capturing sharp and vibrant photos with great dynamic range. The new ultra-wide sensor is perfect for landscape shots, and the telephoto lens lets you zoom in without losing detail. Night sight mode has also been enhanced, delivering stunning low-light photos with rich colors and minimal noise. One standout feature is the Pro controls, giving users manual control over settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus, bringing DSLR-like control to your pocket. And for video, the Pixel 8 Pro supports 4K recording at 60fps with improved stabilization, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. The Pixel 8 Pro runs on Android 14 straight out of the box, with Google's promise of 5 years of software updates, meaning this phone will stay up to date longer than most other Android devices. The software experience is clean, intuitive, and packed with Google's smart features such as Live Translate, Call Screen, and Magic Eraser for photos. Speaking of AI, the Pixel 8 Pro brings new on-device AI features like improved Google Assistant, faster and more accurate voice typing, and real-time language translation. The phone also includes advanced AI-powered photo editing tools that can enhance or even completely transform your images with just a few taps. The Pixel 8 Pro packs a 5050 mAh battery, which easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. Google has optimized the Tensor G3 and Android 14 to work together for better battery efficiency, meaning you can enjoy all the advanced features without constantly worrying about charging. When you do need to charge, the Pixel 8 Pro supports 30W wired charging and fast wireless charging, getting you from 0 to 50% in just about 30 minutes. It also features reverse wireless charging, allowing you to top up other devices like earbuds on the go. So should you consider the Google Pixel 8 Pro? If you're after a phone that offers top-notch camera performance, smart AI-driven features, and a clean software experience, then this phone is a fantastic choice. The Pixel 8 Pro excels in all the right areas, making it not just a great smartphone but also a powerful tool for photography enthusiasts and anyone looking to harness the latest in AI technology. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Pixel 8 Pro and which feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.